Swap two numbers in Python. There are many ways to swap values in two numbers. Let us see two of them. The first way is to use a temporary variable. This is the dumb way. The second way is to use tuple unpacking. This is the Pythonic way. Swap two numbers using temporary variable. Take two variables, a and b with values 4 and 8. Take a temporary variable and assign it with value in a. Assign value in b to a. Assign value in temporary variable to b. Print a and b. Save and run the program. Swap two numbers using tuple unpacking. Take two variables, a and b with values 4 and 8 respectively. Assign a comma b with values in b, a respectively. Print a and b. Save and run the program. Thank you for watching the video. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel.